You can render a full 2-host podcast from a single script. Azure AI Speech reads each line in a different neural voice. No editing, no manual voice acting, no audio engineer. This uses speech synthesis markup language, SSML, to switch speakers. This is for engineers automating audio content at scale. Neural text to speech, TTS, costs about $15 per million characters. But one hard limit breaks the naive design. I'll show that gotcha in a minute. Here's the plan for the next 4 minutes. First, the architecture and how a script becomes finished audio. Second, the SSML that switches voices and emotion. Third, the synthesis limit that forces a batch pipeline. That third one bites everyone who starts with real-time calls. Keep watching for why the obvious approach truncates your episode. Let's wire it up. Your Python service owns the orchestration. It turns a dialog script into one SSML document. That document goes to Azure AI Speech Batch Synthesis. Batch runs asynchronously and writes audio straight to blob storage. A final step stitches and tags the episode file. Key Vault holds the speech key, never your source code. Every box has one job, which keeps retries simple. SSML is the contract you send. Each voice tag picks a neural voice by its exact name. Wrap lines in Express as for styles like cheerful or sad. Adjust prosody to vary rate and pitch between hosts. Break tags add natural pauses between turns. Get the voice name wrong and the request fails outright. So validate names against the voice list first. Here's the gotcha I promised. Real-time synthesis caps each request near 10 minutes of audio. A 30-minute episode silently truncates or errors out. Batch synthesis removes that ceiling and handles very long text. You submit a job, poll its status, then download from blob. You trade a little latency for unlimited episode length. For podcasts, batch is the right call, not real-time streaming. Two designs compete here. One big SSML document, or one request per speaker turn. The single document keeps timing and prosody consistent across hosts. Per turn requests parallelize and let you retry just one line. But per turn means stitching audio and matching loudness yourself. For most podcasts, submit the whole script as one batch job. Reach for per turn only when you need fine-grained control. Now watch the failure modes. Invalid SSML returns errors, so validate before submitting. An unsupported style on a voice gets ignored silently. Throttling hits if you fan out too many concurrent requests. Cache synthesized turns so edits don't rebuild the whole episode. Billing counts characters, including SSML tags in some cases. Prices and limits shift, so check the current Azure docs. Quick recap of the pipeline. Build one SSML document with a voice tag per host. Use batch synthesis to clear the 10-minute audio limit. Store and stitch from blob, and keep keys in Key Vault. Cache rendered turns to control your synthesis bill. That's a production podcast generator in Python. Subscribe for more Azure architecture breakdowns. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.